Technology today is growing at a furious pace, and the challenge of every business is improving and acquiring staff with the appropriate skills to keep up with a continuously changing world. A designer with SOLIDWORKS instructor-led training delivered by Computer-Aided Technology and SOLIDWORKS Certification will reduce your time to market and improve the quality of your products.
I believe that the training and certification program opens your eyes to methods that you never really used, or you could have been using for years and just didn't take advantage of it. Not just helps me get better, it helps everybody get better.
Before we implemented our SOLIDWORKS certification program, we had no visibility into areas where a user was struggling with our training. The SOLIDWORKS tools gives us a great visibility, and we can correct or work on those issues.
As a trainer, I've definitely seen the benefit in SOLIDWORKS certification to be able to see someone come in who really doesn't know the software and who really struggles with even the most basic functionalities, and to have them go through our program and not only be a productive member of their group, but also to be the go-to guy within that engineering group. SOLIDWORKS training program has really helped us to get there.
Computer-Aided Technology offers a variety of subjects including solid modeling, sheet metal, weldments, and beginning through advanced finite element analysis. Industry vertical classes are also available. You may choose to take an instructor-led course at one of our training facilities across the U.S., virtual training at your office, or self-paced e-learning. No matter what your industry, you can be assured that SOLIDWORKS training and certification will give your designers the edge they need. SOLIDWORKS training will not only improve the efficiency of your designers, it can broaden their knowledge base by adding other skills like electrical and mechanical routing, electromechanical design, printed circuit board design, technical documentation, and product lifecycle management. Listen to what our training coordinator has to say about SOLIDWORKS training.
Proper training is a critical component to the success of any purchase. With training and computer-aided technology, users are more productive because who knows the products better than a certified SOLIDWORKS trainer? If you like saving money and keeping things simple, then our Catalyst Now program is for you.
So, whether you hire engineers with SOLIDWORKS training and certification or make it available later, you are sure to bring better products to market sooner than ever. By taking advantage of SOLIDWORKS training, you will also be able to broaden the capabilities of your staff to include industry vertical design skills. Call Computer-Aided Technology today to register for a class or get more information about SOLIDWORKS certification.